Hey everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the smART Pixel Pegs using your smART Pixelator 2.0 device and the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. If you have not used the app yet, you may want to stop this video and watch the app tutorial first. Then come back and restart this video. To demonstrate, we're going to use the Unicorn Pegs activity. Please note that although in this video we will be using the smART Pixelator 2.0 app, it is not mandatory to use the app for anything other than the camera or photo gallery activities. First, set up the smART Pixelator 2.0 device. Then find the Unicorn Pegs activity in the smART Pixelator 2.0 app. Go ahead and launch the app to get started. Make sure your device is connected to the app via Bluetooth. Again, if you're not sure how to do this, please refer to the app tutorial video. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Pegs category. Now scroll to the left until you see the Unicorn activity. Tap on that. As you can see, this activity calls for 12 different colors of pegs. Set up your pegs. Once you're ready, tap the Start button. You now see a short in-app tutorial that tells you to place the pegs tray onto the smART Pixelator 2.0 device. The next step shows you how to place pegs into the pegs tray using your fingers. The first screen you see after the in-app tutorial shows you how the unicorn will look when you've placed all the pegs. Tap the right-facing arrow to go to step number 1. The first step shows you that you will be working with light blue pegs. Place all the light blue pegs in their positions. Continue to the next step and repeat using the appropriate color. Keep going until you have completed the activity. Now that all the pegs are in place, you can frame your creation. The first thing you want to do is remove the finished peg tray from the smART Pixelator 2.0 device. To frame your picture, put the frame on a flat surface. Turn it upside down so its backside is facing up. Insert the pegs tray upside down into the frame so the finished picture is facing down. Gently twist each of the 4 side levers to lock the picture in place. You can insert the frame stand like this and place your creation on a table or shelf. Now your creation is ready to display. The frame is reusable. That's it. You now have a completed smART Pixelator 2.0 peg masterpiece. Check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.